Perpetual motion, is it really infinite energy? So then how does it work? Once set in motion, it would continue in motion forever, with no additional energy required to maintain it. But it's impossible, stated by the first and second laws of thermodynamics. One of the longest running experiments for perpetual motion is the Beverly clock. It started running in 1864 and never stopped running. So if perpetual motion is impossible, why has it been running for over 100 years? The answer is explained because it's driven by variations in atmospheric pressure and by daily temperature variations. Therefore, it's not really a perpetual motion device, but very efficient in keeping energy. So if it's impossible, why do people say that they have proof for perpetual motion machines? The search for a perpetual motion machine continues to this day, despite the scientific fact that due to the fundamental physics of our universe, it is impossible to build a true perpetual motion machine. Why? Well, the first law of thermodynamics is the law of energy conservation, which states energy is always conserved. That means it cannot be created or destroyed. Instead, energy changes from one form to another. In order for a machine to keep moving, the energy that is applied should stay with the machine without any losses. Therefore, a perpetual motion machine is not possible. Therefore, to build a machine, you would have to accomplish many things. For instance, the machine would have to have no rubbing parts due to the friction that would be created, resulting in the machine losing its energy to heat. Also, the machine would have to be operated inside a vacuum. This is because operating the machine anywhere else would mean it would lose energy due to the air friction. Sound is also a form of energy, so a perpetual motion machine would have to produce no sound at all. Even though the above facts should clearly illustrate why a perpetual motion machine is impossible, let us, for the sake of the argument, say we are able to solve the above obstacles and actually build a machine. Even if we could, we would not be able to get everlasting energy from it. The energy would only be up to the amount that is used as input or to start a movement. In the real world, this hypothetical machine would simply be a type of energy source. Remember, energy has to come from something. It is never created. So, even if you could make a machine, you would need the energy to begin the motion. In conclusion, perpetual motion is impossible simply due to the first and second laws of thermodynamics.